super freaky te nu pa hian hun rei tak chung chu an chen in a hian thil dang lam an lo tong fo to thina ati re dan tur te po han ngai tu viau thin ma se ati ngai na tak po chu an hre to lem lawa chung an thil ton rang te chu an phone camera chuan an lo record thina chung zinga thin khat te chu tun tuma hian kan en ho don ani.
My fucking chair is moving. It's It's straight up moving. I don't... Maria.
Yeah?
Maria, my chair turned. Did a whole 360. Can you not? Like, where are you? You stupid ghost. And I'm only fucking so cheery right now, not terrified because I did drink a bunch. Oh, shit. Oh shit, and I got some more Trulies. Let's go. Don't do that again, bro. Here. Stop doing that. Okay, so I will say I'm stupid for drinking. That knife fell out of that little fucking knife container thing. No. 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 Is this all because, dude, this is getting dangerous, bro. You're gonna cut yourself. You need to be careful. I took a shot. Do you guys see that? I took a shot. Above, below, around, all the fuck around. I was laying in bed watching some fucking goddamn shit. This turned off, and I went to go grab a drink, and for some fucking... Are you fucking joking? Can you please fucking stop? Do you see? Okay, so all those chips got knocked over. You pick them up. How about that? You fucking do that. You fucking joking me? As you can see, I put it back on his fucking thing. I'm about to go lay it back down, and I'm gonna hope to God that nothing fucking does any weird shit, because I feel like there's weird shit right there. But at the same time, it could be friendly. Oh God, now look at me. I'm starting to sound like a fucking weirdo. You got weirdos and shit like that? I'm gonna take another shot. Hold on. Okay, move that. Do you see that? What?
Hen chenina thla hi a huang tau hle ti po a chet da na tang hian a hriat theya chuti rolin in nei tu te tin na tum na em phei chu a nei lo ni te poina langa in chung bung ro chi rang mai chu ati che in ati tlamai thina ni mela mitam zau khi chuan hetiang thil ne na chen ho hi kan du in arin om chi lova ani nu pa te ngai da ni ro hi chu alo dang deuh te po ani mai thei ani I chen nei in ta se ila cheng zui zel ngamangim le security officer pakhat hian zan laia a duty lai hian thom dang lam tak mai thom rap om zet mai chung ril fan rei mai thil hi a hretlat maya chu thoma hret na lampang chu a camera chuan lo la in chuta thom chu ilo ngai thlateang a camera chu an lek kuala ma se thom ron siam tu om ang chu mu mai thei chuan a lang tlat lo chuti rualin an thawm siam la chu a ringin nai taka ani loi sia arap omin multhi te po ading sung sung thei hialani hetiang ang thawm hi ramhnoi pil ri lai mo ma ni chia omlain hreta angila ngai chu angam du lo mai thei ani Winari nei tupa hian ador chunga hian thom dang lam deuh hi hre in a thom hriat na lai chu a phone camera chuan lo recordin a thom hriat na lai chu a en kuala chuta he thil hi aron thleng ta ni
Parece que aquí no es. Se vieron acá. Vengan, vamos a ver. No, aquí no son. Vénganse, vámonos por acá. No sé qué está pasando. Mejor vámonos, vengan.
Thil dang lam deuh i lo hmu thei mielem uluk dawa en lo phei chuan hriat thiam po a har hle maya aron lan chung po kha arei lo hle maya khatia camera a her khol lai khan bang phen atang hian mihring lu ti hriat tak hian aron en reng lai hi alo lang theya ma se rei lang lovin a pil lut zui le ta ni kha thil lo lang kha ruk ru misuala ni thengem nge ni nga thla lampang thil zok niang le Zanka chu Janet Faritenu fa hian sarkaso en turin an kal chuaka etia sarkaso an enzo nu hian thil danglam tak mei tongin chu thil chu tiktok lama hian an ron pho chuaka Janet Faritenu fa bak tuma an omto lo nu chuan ui hi na sajet jet mei hian aron bo chiam maya makanti ema wang chuan thoman hriat na lampang chu an camera chuan lo recordin he thil hi an tong fu ta ni
Plebes, acabó la función. Andan los perros ladre acá afuera porque dicen que después de las 12 se aparece una señora que no sé qué, de blanco, que fue cadenas. Pero nosotras ahorita vimos a los perros y empezamos a oír ruidos. Y aquí andamos grabando. Ay, no, ese es un perro.
¿Torrón? ¿Cómo se llama?
¿Y salió de acá o venía de dónde?
Salió de ahí del monte. Mira. A ver.
Ay, mira. Ay, no mames.
Ay, no. A ver, enfoca.
Es que se borra. Mira, lo acerco y se borra, mira. ¿Qué es?
Ay.
Uy. No mames. Ay, no. Ay, no chingues. Mira. Mira.
Uy, está gritando.
No mames. No chingues. Mira.
Se perdió.
Es que está oscuro. A ver.
Ay, va.
Mira, se mira.
Sí.
Entre los
Pero se pierde.
entre los árboles, mira.
la deuh taka hian mihring ang taksi ma se thilwar lampang hi achikwal lai hi alo lang theya hemi tenu fa soidan chuan mihring chena in thlung ni mai hian an hri a chuting ang thil chu a hma poin helai hmun vela cheng te chuan an lo hmu to thina thla lampang chena in thlung ni ngei tura ngai thei tur chu an ni po hian an lo hmu ve ngei maya eng thil tak chu ni ang mo video masalama khan kailan athil to then khatte tiktok lama alo upload to te chu kan ron ti chuak towa khami tum khan ai in chung ceiling lama hian thom dang lam tak me hi hre in poison takin chu wa thom hriat na ceiling lampang chu han pan chawin chuta chuan bom hlui to tak mai bal tak me hi lo omin achunga chuan no telem mitmu po nei to lo hi alo oma khathatang khan thil chuan zual lampang chu apan chau deuh maya tun truma po hian khami hnuwa athil ton then khatte kan en hole don ani
I think I heard it again. I think I just heard it. I think I heard it. I just got off my freaking live like 20 minutes ago. I think I might have heard it, y'all. Hang on. I don't know. Is that freaking string moving? I don't hear it, Dame. I don't hear it. It's moving. That fucking string is moving. I swear to God, I heard it. All right. Oh. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's just that. Okay. If you weren't on my live the other night, I think I did that. I think I caused the light bulb situation. I think I caused like an electrical issue because I backed into the light bulb 2 freaking times and broke the light bulb, and I had to replace it. It happened twice, and I might have like knocked a wire loose, and that's probably why the light is blinking. It's got to be why.
In chung etik lama chuan ama ang thau khan thom dang lam tak mai hi hrele in en fe tung chuan avakala ma se etik chhouna le lon an koi thlachia chu lai thi ma in ain ona ain off le thina chu thil chuan ti hlavin en zingam lavin atlan che zui ta ni etiang ang deuh chia hi zandanga po lo thleng le in chu thil chu tun trum chu etik lama ni lovin room danga ani ve thunga.
I can't get a fucking break from this fucking shit. Yeah, are you seeing this?
No, don't.
I'm just going to the window. It'll be alright. I'll be right back. The fuck, yo. I cannot catch a fucking break. Jesus. How the fuck am I supposed to even go back inside now? I don't know what to do.
Etik lama che thin thla chuan a chet na hmun chu in thlakin bathroom lama chuan a in son ta nge ni don ni bathroom light chu a phe zuk zuk maya ani la hian a hlau phian le ngal hetiang hian zan lama hian thil chu a che ji maya zan lama chuan mut mu po chu a tu thei meu lovani.
Well, we had an interesting night. Woke up at about 3 o'clock in the morning to this. Sounded like it was coming from above us. At first, at least. It stopped for a little while. We tried to go back to sleep. Then it started sounding like it was outside of our bedroom in the backyard. Like somebody was banging against the side of the house. Stopped again. I wanted to go look, but she begged me not to. Finally, we fell asleep. Now I'm up. I went up in the attic and checked. I did a deep search, looking to see if there's any little hidden nook and cranny somebody could shimmy into. There's nobody up there. There's nothing up there. I don't know what's going on. I'm tired. I'm sick of everybody in the comments saying that I'm making this shit up.
Hun rei tak chung zan lama thom dang lam tak tak a siam hnu chuan rum khat chu chhun lama po chu thil chuan nin hlei chu aron chua chun zum le a.
I just don't know TikTok. I hate to say I'm scared to go home, but everything's just been so daggone weird. I don't know, I guess I just didn't get much sleep last night. What the? I mean, there's nobody home. She's not home. She's at her mom's. Somebody up there? If you're up there, you better announce your damn self.
Anh thoko ina va thlen chuan in chung chona leilon chu ama chuan alo in phet ringot maya makati in athin rim do bok chuan muthelo ma se ceiling atang chuan ron chuk tur chuan atia chuta he EVP hi a camera chuan alo record fuwa tuna zet chuan he ina cheng thla hian kaila hi a hlau lo hle ni ti po chiang towa ama puya he thlarau sual not keng thei tu pui thiam lampang ko vat a fu to mai theiani Paranormal Investigation Team Steve and Dylan Haunted Night YouTube channel te hian Jonesville Hlauhawm hi antlo duna he nursing home hi kumhni liamta vel khan khar ni in man lavin tuna chuan a om to ni he nursing home hi kumsang ka zakwa som thumatanga kumsang ka zakwa somrup in karvel khachuan school ata na man thin ni in annuwa tarle chaklote en kolna ta na man chun zom ani chhota ni hetia lualum lova nursing home anda ta ka chuan he mun hian soiran chu a hlo nga hle maya Steve le Dylan te chuan he nursing home hlui nel lo zet mai chunga hian lutin investigation chu an nei dun ta ni
Hello? My name is Steve. I've come here to talk to you tonight. I don't mean you any disrespect. I don't mean you any harm. You're not in trouble. You don't have to leave. I'm just here to kind of learn about you in this building. We know it was a school for a while, and then a rest home or a nursing home. Is there anybody in here that would like to communicate with me tonight? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I hope the mic picked that up.
Steve chuan khati investigation team rui nuaya ani lai khan banga thom danglam tak tak omte chu a hretreu maya Dylan po chu rong kal ve in ani nen po hian thil dang chu an la tong dun cheu mai boka
Hello?
It was on the stairs.
It was on the stairs toward the basement?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying too, like, I could hear the voices and then I would hear movement.
What is that? It sounds like it's like either right on this side or right here. I don't see anything though.
It almost sounds like, I couldn't just, like the one thud I heard, it sounded like somebody like almost closed something, like a closet or a cabinet or something. It was like a thud. Hello? I think I heard you a little bit ago. Down there. Down there. Down there. That's what I mean.
Sounds like it's on the door.
That's what I mean.
Thil ripa ngai ni lo thom danglam tak tak chu an bul le che vela chuan aron om ta fo maya anwa phai chuan basement lama chuan chuk thla in he thil hi an tong zui le ta ni
What was that? I think it was my stomach.
Oh,
What does it sound like?
I thought something hit something. Like metallic.
That wasn't my
That's
stomach.
what I mean. That's what I heard.
Metallic. That wasn't my
That's
stomach.
what I mean. That's what I heard.
Metallic. That wasn't my
That's
stomach.
what I mean. That's what I heard.
And you still want to talk to us, we'd still love to talk to you. You just have to make yourself known. Either make a noise or interact with one of these devices. Sounded like he was in there.
Sounds like something moved.
Yeah. It honestly sounded like when someone like either sits on a bed or stands up. Like the springs on the bed.
Yeah. It's so weird because it feels like it's still lived in. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Is it like humming?
Yes.
It was like singing.
What the hell was that?
It was like a male voice.
Hello? It was like, oh.
There it is.
Oh.
Yeah. Hello?
Sounds like downstairs.
Yeah.
Holy.
See something?
No, something just pulled on my sweatshirt. I thought I was on the edge of this and I wasn't touching it. Oh, I thought the side of my pocket got stuck on this.
Yeah, like hooked on it?
So I turned to move and I was here. Dude, that was actually a pretty solid, I legitimately thought I was hooked on, I didn't know if I was hooked on to here, but I'm not even close to that, and this door moves. So I wouldn't have.
It would have came with you, yeah.
Dude, that was really, really weird. It was like right here, and it felt like it went like this. Like
pulled you back?
Straight back this way. Like something was like right here. That's why I thought I was stuck on the door.
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
What'd you hear?
Did you see me jump?
Yeah. What was
Oh
that?
my God, dude. I don't know if that was a voice or somebody like shh, like that.
Mu thei si lo eng thil mani chu he basement a po hian a nge ni ti chu an thil ton to tang po hian a chiang reng maya chuta Steve chuan Dylan chu kalsanin Dylan chuan phone apps chi khat mang chuan he huna thla chu bek po chu atum ve le ta ni.
So if you do have any messages for us, now's the time to let us know. Oh, I see what Steve means. Yeah, I forgot there's a mirror right there. That just kind of scared me a little bit.
Agony.
Jeez. That scared me, bro. It said agony. Are you in agony? I'm sorry to hear that. Ooh, that was a really weird, dude. Oh my gosh, that was really strange. Oh, wow. Okay, so I have like my sleeves kind of rolled up. It felt like someone just ran their hand, like their finger down my arm. I had my arm just like at my side like this, right? It felt like someone just ran like a single finger down my arm. Ooh, that was bizarre.
Khatia ma chia lai khan Dylan hian eng thil mani in aron khoi ni khan ri a ma po khan Steve khan ataksa chu mu the si lo eng thil mani in aron khoi thu kha asoi to boka he nursing home luya hian thla lampang thil mu the si lo chu an la cheng ve reng ani ti an thil to na tang hian a chiang view mai